1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4 tap, 5 tap, 6 tap. Boom. I mean, guys, what's the point, guys? I've gotten so tired of thinking this time is it. This time it's going to break down. Okay, instead of saying this time it's going to break down, how about I just wait until eventually it does break down? But otherwise, I'm just going to long it. I'm going to long it because I'm tired of saying this time it's going to break down. I rather just long it. Does it make sense? So I'll long it until it breaks. And this way, yeah, I don't know, guys. That's just how I'm doing it. All right, so boom, quickly we're up $2,000 there. I literally just sent out this alert, guys, 18 minutes ago. So within 18 minutes, we're up here 2.5 grand. This is our first trade in a week and a half, and it feels nice. It almost feels like you've been sleeping for 2 weeks, and like you're just waking up or something. Like you feel like you got to warm up your muscles or something. That's how I feel right now entering our first trade in a week and a half. But no warm up needed. You jump straight in after 2 weeks of no trading. You come back, first trade, boom, pump it. Okay. All right, it's that easy when you're in crash alerts, guys, and we're looking good. So actually, we're coming up to this high. We should probably take some profits here. Recommend taking some profits. Taking some profits now. I mean, we just jumped in, guys. Okay, so let's see. 18, 770, 780, guys. We're using Bitget. This is such a good trading platform. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and close out like 2 BTC. Just lock in a little bit, guys. Anytime you get a spike or a pump in your direction, you want to lock in something. Even if it's a little, lock in something. Okay, over here the price of ETH is at 12.49. We're going to lock in, 16 Ether. Let's just close that just a little, right? Always lock in something. Now, no matter what, we made a little bit of money. Even in the worst case scenario, we made 1,100. Sometimes whenever I don't do that rule, the market loves to kick me in the ass for that and actually make me pay for it. So I think it's kind of like a good karma thing. When you see the market spike in your direction, take some profits, and the market is oftentimes going to reward you, and it's going to give you good karma. Okay, for doing your job and being a good boy, the market will continue pumping for you if you take some profits. If you're greedy and you're like, no, I'm not going to take any profits, a lot of times the market likes to fuck you and just come right back down. Okay, so it's just my advice, guys. Anyways, guys, this is absolutely beautiful. I told you it's good karma when you close out and you take profits right away, even if it's just a little bit. Look at that. It's been like 3-4 hours, I think. 3-4 hours. We're up 13.14K. And I also sent out this another long trade on Chainlink here just a second ago. Told everyone longing Chainlink, stop loss 6.76. We're risking 2,800 bucks on that. So it's just beautiful because we broke that resistance, we broke that resistance. I feel like it's been a long time since we saw Bitcoin pump this fast, right? Within 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, we got in right there 4 hours ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been a while since you saw Bitcoin pump that much in 4 hours, right? We've seen it pump. Well, here we saw it pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this back in September was the last time we saw something similar to that, but it dumped right back down after. Besides that, there's not too many examples where it pumped that much in 4 hours, right? So very good sign in my opinion. I've been talking about this pattern and how we could get down to 14K in 30 days. Obviously, we start to diverge from that pattern, right? And so we've also talked about how, to me, it just feels very similar to the 29K bottom in summer of last year. Right? So and I sent these pictures out today again in our alerts because I just can't help but feel the similarities, right? So here, look at this. You get this bounce right here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, dying, pump. Lower high, lower high, lower high, dying, okay? And that's why I sent this out way earlier, because it just feels so similar. Everyone is so bearish, and I remember how bearish I was down here at 29K, thinking we're certainly going to break down here, and we didn't. And it pumped so damn fast when it looks so damn bad. That's what we see happening again. It looks so damn bad, Yet we pump so damn fast out of there, okay? So guys, once again, this is our first trade in my alerts since September the 29th, okay? September the 29th is over here. Okay, and you can see why, because the market just kept going sideways and doing nothing. Nothing. There was no money to be made here. So you just got to trust me if you're joining my alerts. You know, so what? I didn't send an alert for 2 weeks, but when I do send the alert, look, you know, we make $16,000 in 4 hours, because it's not about what you miss out on, okay? In my opinion, since the last time we traded, there was only one valid trade setup, which was you could have shorted right here, okay? Now, another trade that you could have made a lot of money on is if you longed this bottom right here, okay? But this is a ridiculously stupid long position to take, in my opinion, because look at this. You've been going sideways for 14 days here, so there's absolutely zero indication or sign that this would be a good long position. Okay, so that means in the last 2 weeks, from September 29th to today, October the 14th, there was only one single valid trade setup. And this means that if you missed this trade setup, there were absolutely no other trade setups to be taken, at least with my trading style. Okay, because I'm not trying to scalp and make a couple $100. When we're trading, we're trying to make at least $3,000+ on each little swing. Sorry, but still don't have any trade I'm taking. I'm not going to force it to try and please people. We're at a super sluggish area. I'll still tell you, like, guys, I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. And all of a sudden, boom, we trade. You got to trust me if you join the alerts. Okay, if you don't get an alert for a week, 2 weeks, it's part of the process. You need to understand. And you don't like that a week has went by and you haven't got an alert, or 2 weeks have went by without an alert, then just go find a different alerts that's going to overtrade the hell out of you and make you lose and blow up your account. Guys, anyways, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Up 15,000 here in the last 4 hours. Congratulations to our members in Crash Alerts, and I want to thank everyone in our alerts for their patience the last couple of weeks while the market was slow. I hope everyone in my alerts, we can learn from that, right? We took 2 weeks away. We just watched the market, and we didn't pull the trigger. In my opinion, this was the only trigger that should have been pulled, was right there at that entry. That's a good trade if you took that, okay? But I didn't have the confidence to short it right there, and so I didn't, right? But I enter when I have confidence, and that's how we made over 60,000 last month, over 15,000 in one trade this month so far. And so this is my style. I trade when I'm confident, and that's all it is, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this trade. I do think we have likely some more to go higher, some more to go. But follow me on Twitter, and obviously I'll be keeping everyone in our alerts up to date. So guys, good gains, good day. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.